Thank you for stopping by Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales. We're taking a close look at a brand new arrival. This is a used Heartland Pioneer DS320 bunkhouse. A nice outdoor kitchen. It's a great unit for a family at a great price. Just $19,995. You have a queen bedroom plus the bunkhouse. Nicely appointed kitchen with everything you might need. U-shaped dinette, folds down for more sleeping. Plus you have the sofa there too. Huge bunkhouse back here. Flexible options for sleeping and storage. Another TV here too. The slide outs on this one really add the space. We also have dual entry with the second entry here in the bathroom. Nice little tub there too, so a shower tub combo. And the outdoor kitchen is just outside that door there to your right. Entertainment center here divides off the queen bedroom. Plenty of storage there. You can hear the air conditioning blowing cool air. Keeps it nice and comfortable all summer long. Stop in or call Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales for the best prices in Canada.